Hello, how do you do? I'm Beverly. Welcome to our Vegan Keto School. I'm so happy that you're here. This space is for compassion, for dessert, for curiosity, and for creating a way of eating that feels good, not forced. If you struggled with dieting, food obsession, burnout, or perfectionism, take a deep breath with me. You are safe here. We do this gently. Today is lesson 1, and we're starting simple. So what is vegan keto anyway? Is it salad and sadness? Is it regular keto but somehow worse because you can't eat bacon? Nope, not even close. In this class, we'll explore what vegan keto really means, how it works in your body, what you actually eat, and why it can feel like peace instead of punishment. If you've ever secretly thought, there's no way keto can taste good, you are in the right place. We'll talk about what keto means in plain language, how it looks when it's vegan, what meals actually look like, what we eat more of and what we reduce, why this works for people who love food, the mindset shift that changes everything, and one tiny step to get you moving today. No perfection, no overwhelm, just curiosity and little wins. Vegan keto in one sentence is low carb, moderate protein, high healthy fats, 100% plant-based. That's it. It's not complicated and it's not extreme. We don't rely on butter or bacon, and we use plant foods like tofu, tempeh, avocado, coconuts, nuts and seeds, protein smoothies, big salads, creamy dressings, and yes, delicious desserts that still work for ketosis. Vegan keto isn't about eating less, it's about eating differently, and it can feel surprisingly satisfying. Most people experience steadier energy, fewer cravings, mental clarity, gentle fat loss, and peace around food again. Not magic, just metabolism shifting, fuel sources from sugar to fat. Imagine your body has 2 fuel tanks. Tank 1 is carbs and sugar. Tank 2 is fat. Most people run on tank 1 all day, but when carbs are lower and healthy fats are present, your body switches to tank 2, fat burning mode, also known as ketosis. We are not anti-carb. We just use them intentionally instead of constantly. There is room for dessert here. We just need to reinvent it. Vegan simply means no meat, fish, eggs, dairy, or animal products. So instead of keto with cheeseburgers, we do keto with avocados, olives, olive oil, coconut milk and cream, nuts, seeds, nut butters, tofu, tempeh, seitan, low-carb veggies like leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini. The formula becomes vegan keto equals low carb plus moderate protein plus high healthy fats from plants. Carbs are kept intentionally low. Protein is moderate enough to support your body. Fats are higher to help you feel satisfied and calm. You don't have to track everything perfectly. This is about patterns, not perfection. People always ask me, what do you actually eat on vegan keto? And honestly, I keep it simple, delicious, and repeatable. I don't try to reinvent every meal. I eat what I love and what feels good in my body. So, I usually start my day with a berry smoothie. It has unsweetened plant milk, vegan protein powder, a few berries, chia and hemp seeds, and it tastes like a treat. But it keeps me steady and clear and satisfied. And then sometimes I'll have a second smoothie, or I'll switch things up and have protein mug cake with peanuts, or an almond biscuit with natural peanut butter. It depends on the day and what sounds good. but they all keep me in my vegan keto groove. Mug cake is one of my favorites. Warm, quick, satisfying, and yes, some days I'll have two. This way of eating doesn't feel like restriction. It feels like dessert and joy. For a more savory moment, I do big salad with leafy greens, tofu, avocado, my homemade ranch dressing, and maybe some seeds for crunch. It's fresh, energizing, and incredibly flexible. Some days I'll add extra tofu on the side because it fills me up and hits my protein needs without overthinking. And that's my real eating style, not fancy or complicated. Smoothies, mug cakes, almond biscuits with peanut butter, salad and tofu. Simple, delicious, keto, vegan, sustainable, for real life. You get to eat food you actually enjoy, not pretend to like recipes you don't care about. Lots of color, lots of flavor, not deprivation, just satisfaction. We crowd in healthy fats, leafy and above ground veggies, plant proteins, fiber, flavor, and sauces. We reduce, not forbid, foods like sugar and syrups, bread, pasta, rice, flour-based foods, potatoes, corn, high sugar fruits, and processed carbs. You can still enjoy these intentionally with high carb days. This is a choice, not a restriction. If you love dessert, if carbs make you hungry again an hour later, if you binge or feel out of control with sugar, or if your mood or energy crashes, you're not broken. You might simply thrive better with stable blood sugar and a fat-based fuel. When your body is fed well, cravings naturally soften. Foods stop yelling your name, and it becomes peaceful again. Myth 1. Vegans can't do keto. Yes, you can. We just eat different foods. Myth 2. No fun foods. Peanut butter exists. Coconut cream exists. Mugs of cakes exist. We'll be fine. Myth 3. Keto is unhealthy. Any diet can be unhealthy or nourishing. It's just how you do it. Myth 4. Too complicated. Well, it only becomes complicated when we overthink it. We keep it simple and repeatable and livable. You don't have to marry it. You can date it. Try a day. Try one meal. Try swapping one thing and see how your energy feels. See how your hunger feels. See how you feel. This is not dogma. It's exploration. This isn't just about macros. It's about becoming someone who eats with awareness, trusts their hunger signals, chooses food that genuinely feels good, nourishes body and nervous system, enjoys food without a fight. A new reality, a new self-concept. I am a woman who nourishes herself with what supports her body. So that's vegan keto. Simple, plant-based, lower in carbs, higher in healthy fats, and a lot more peaceful than most people expect. If this video sparks something in you, if you're thinking, I could do this, I want to learn more, then I'd love to invite you to my Vegan Keto School. Inside the school community, you'll get full guided lessons, printable handouts, recipes, support, and weekly live Q&As with me, where you can actually ask questions and get personal help. It's a community where you're not doing this alone. You're supported and encouraged and seen. And if you want to go deeper and learn step by step and make vegan keto easy and enjoyable, the link is below. Come join us. Introduce yourself and tell me which food you're choosing to start with. I can't wait to connect with you there. Thank you for watching. I love you. And be kind to yourself. I'll see you in school.